Welcome back to Flavor. This week, the fall tour's got us in Jersey. And if you know Jersey, you know pizza. We hit the turnpikes and parkways to bring you some of the best pizzerias in the Garden State. We teamed up with the New Jersey Beer Company to put the show on the road. And everybody knows you can't wash down a good New Jersey pizza pie without a good New Jersey brew. So let's pop the top on this special edition of Flavor and find the best slice in Jersey.
Hey guys, Charlie Boots here, and I'm very excited to be bringing you this special episode of Flavor. We teamed up with the best brew in the Garden State, the New Jersey Beer Company, to find the best slice of pizza in the pizza capital of the world.
The first stop on our trip to find the best slice brings us to Hoboken, New Jersey. We've proudly partnered with the All-American Auto Group to get around the Garden State in style. Perfect when you're rolling into Tudino's, the biggest of the big boys when we're talking pizza pie.
Let's go check it out. Alright folks, so we're in Hoboken. We gotta do it right. We got the best slice of pizza. And we gotta wash it down with the chairman of the gourd. Beautiful pumpkin beer that the New Jersey Beer Company put out for old Blue Eyes, Frankie Sinatra. Cheers to that. Cheers to the biggest and best slice in the Garden State. Right here, the Tudino. Oh, Hoboken. It's heaven in Hoboken, baby.
Right across the water from Manhattan, Benny's never disappoints in the Mile Square City. Now it's back on the road to Woodridge, New Jersey, where we're checking out Adrian's Pizza Company, home of some of the most creative slices in North Jersey.
Alright, so folks, the plain slice right here at Adrian's, very special. Fresh mutts. Nothing wrong over here. That's a beautiful sauce. That's beautiful mutts. That's one of the best plain slices I've ever had in my life. And the only way to properly wash down this slice, nice little Garden State Stout from New Jersey Beer Company. Cheers to Adrian's. For our specialties here at Adrian's, two very special slices. The Goodfella, which you can find the actual burger for here as well at Mob Burger, same ownership, and the Balsamic, which gives you your grilled chicken, fresh mutts, tomatoes, beautiful balsamic vinaigrette. First up, Goodfella. That's just silly right there. You got French fries, fresh peppers, beef, mutts, and cheddar. Can't go wrong. For the Goodfella, forget about it. So the balsamic, grilled chicken, fresh tomatoes, fresh spinach in there. Oof, oof. Where you been all my life, baby? Picture the freshest chicken balsamic salad or dish you've ever had, right on a pie. Can't go wrong here at Adrian's. Oh yeah, exactly. Forget about it. I need my beer back. The pizza tour continues, baby. We're at Nino's in Hillsdale, New Jersey. Let's go check it out. So I'm here right now with the owner right here, Anthony.
Hey, how are you?
We're about to go fresh out of the oven. I think he's betting on me burning the roof of my mouth off. Look at that. Look at that beauty, folks. Nino's has really put it down out here. perfect crust, perfect sauce,
Get a bite of the crust.
perfect cheese. That's a Jersey pie right there. Guys, I know, it's the pizza special. It's the best slice in Jersey, but you know what? Nino's a bunch of sickos. This right here, vodka sauce, fried chicken cutlet, fresh mutts on garlic bread. How much weight do you think you're gaining today?
I don't know, but you're gonna have to put me in an RV and just coast me, dude. Let's go, baby.
Cheers.
Heck.
I've never tasted so many perfect Italian tastes crammed into one Sammy. Oh my God, folks, please.
Vodka sauce, so on point.
You hit Nino's,
So on point.
you order that, and you wash it down with a fresh NJ beer, baby. They threw us a loop here at Nino's. They got their famous garlic knot chicken parmesan sliders. Let's get into it, Twizzy. Cheers to you. Cheers to North Jersey.
Let's go.
Are you kidding me?
Very generous.
Personally, I've always been a lover of the garlic knot. Of course, in Jersey, you're born with chicken parmesan kind of in your veins.
Fresh bread.
But that, right there, I never tasted something like that. Twizzy, what do you think?
Well done, Dinos. Well done.
After Nino's, we hopped back in our all-American Ford and traveled a few miles to the powerful town of Rivervale, New Jersey, which also happens to be my hometown, to visit a local favorite, Francesca's Pizzeria.
We're getting it kicked off here at Francescas, and we got to sip the most popular New Jersey beer company, the LB IPA. And folks, every beer that's sold of this edition goes to repair in the good old Jersey Shore. Cheers to Francescas in Rivervale, New Jersey, baby. If you know Francescas, you know, come in, grandma pie knocks your socks off. Manja. See what else we got. So I've been coming here for years. I've been coming here since this was Aldo's. And if you're a real OG in the Rivervale, Bergen County area, you know what I'm talking about. I remember me and my buddies, Tommy McDonough, Tijon, used to come over here, eat pizza all the time. And these are my two personal favorites. The buffalo chicken, forget about it. Probably the thickest chicken you'll ever see on a pizza pie. Some of the nicest crust. Bring it on in. Get a good close-up of this one. The pesto slice. That's just fresh mutts, basil, tomato, pesto. Oh, I love this slice. When you come here to Francesca's, be sure to get the grandma pie and get a slice of the buffalo chicken and pesto to go. You won't be ashamed. And wash that bad boy down with the Jersey beer. From Charlie Boots to you, this is how you do pizza in Jersey. All right, guys, and that'll do it for Francesca's in Rivervale, New Jersey. Let's hit the Garden State Parkway and see what else the Garden State has to offer.
For the final stop on this special edition of Flavor, we're headed to Jersey City to check out Raza, a local favorite that specializes in thin crust pizza. Raza was a standout right off the bat, from the beautiful location to the wood-fired pizza oven and the artisan pizza menu. Not just that, but a look from outside, you might think that Razza was one of the most popular nightclubs in Jersey City. The line was out the door, and they only opened from 5:30 to 10 o'clock at night. These folks in Jersey aren't missing a beat. They know Razza's where it's at.
Folks, we're wrapping this pizza trip up right here the right way in Jersey City, New Jersey, and Raza. Thank you for having us.
All right, thank you.
We're washing this beauty down with a 007 from the New Jersey Beer Co. The Barada, right here at Raza. Oh, that's light. Right at it. Lightning crisp. Oh my God. You won't be disappointed, folks. And this has been an incredible friends at Raza, and we'll see you next time right here on Flavor.
And that'll do it for this special episode of Flavor. Thanks for watching, and a special thank you to our sponsors for keeping us fueled, the All-American Ford and the New Jersey Beer Company, brewing the most flavor in the Garden State. This episode's over, but there's much more coming from the Fall Tour in the Northeast. Subscribe on YouTube today so you don't miss a beat. I'll see you there. All right, so the search for the best slice of pizza brings me here with a legend, my grandmother. Grandma, where do we got to go and try the pizza from?
To Benny Dinos.
Benny
They're the
Tudino.
best.